Hey librarians! Today we're diving into Ranganathan's Classified Catalog Code, or CCC. Let's break down some key terms, shall we? First up, abridgment. It's a reduced form of a work that keeps the original's sense and unity. Think of it as the Reader's Digest version. Next, Accession Number Section. It's the last section on the front of a main entry card showing the document's accession number. Super handy for cataloging. Adaptation is another key term. It's a version of a work rewritten for a specific purpose but not changed enough to be a new work, like a movie adaptation of a book. Ever heard of an added entry? It's any entry other than the main entry. Think of it as extra info that helps locate a document. Alternative title, introduced by or and forming part of the title. Simple yet effective. Anonymous work? It's a work where the author is unknown. Mystery books, anyone? Let's talk about Artificial Composite Book. It's a composite book without a generic title, just a collection of works without a unifying title. Author Analytical is specific added entry referring to an author's contribution in a host document. It pinpoints exactly where that piece is. Binder's title. It's the short title usually found on the spine of a book, easy to spot on a shelf. Book index entry is a specific added entry in a classified catalog, useful for detailed searches. And finally, chain procedure. It's a method for creating class index entries. Think of it as linking subjects together logically. That's a quick snapshot of Ranganathan's CCC terminology. Dive deeper into your cataloging with these terms and keep your library organized. Happy cataloging!